guys, it's Rachel. So we are about to head to the airport. I'm talking really quietly because people are asleep. It is 3:30 in the morning. We're not flying till 8, but I wanted to get on the road and be there in plenty of time to find out about special assistance and stuff. So yeah, I'm really sorry if you can't hear me, but this is our trip to New York, and I'm going to be vlogging some of the time I'm there, and hopefully we'll get some good footage and put together a good video when I'm home. Super apprehensive for a 10-hour flight, but we'll see how we go. Anyway. So we are at the airport, and we've been through security, and we're now just sitting waiting. And I think we can see our plane, but we're not quite sure. It probably is our plane. But yeah, so we're knackered. I haven't slept in so long. But yeah, hopefully we'll be on our way in a couple of hours. And next stop London, and then next stop New York. We are here in the hotel. We're staying at the Empire Hotel in New York, and we've spent the last couple of hours getting settled in. We went and found a shop, got some water and crisps and things in, and now we are just about to go out and see Times Square, which is awesome, and I'm really excited. So yeah, I just wanted to check in, and I'll get some footage while I'm down there to add to this vlog. Hopefully it's making sense. We have no idea what time it is, what day it is, or anything. Yay, jet lag. But yeah, the hotel's amazing. We absolutely love New York so far, and we are so excited to explore.
I thought it rained bad when I lived in Preston. I was wrong. This is rain. We're heading back to the hotel. We're soaked.
So that was our first day in New York. I tried to remember to film stuff, which was quite difficult because I was basically so distracted by how amazing everything is, and I just walked around pretty much like this all day. It's 10 o'clock here now, and we are heading to bed because I'm knackered. Like, we've done so much today and it's been amazing, but I'm absolutely cream crackered. I do think probably a little bit of jet lag because at home it's obviously 5 hours ahead, so what's that, like 3 in the morning or something. But yeah, we've got lots of action plan stuff coming tomorrow, so I'm gonna get some sleep now.